How to create spring light. In this video, I'll show you how to create spring light. And I will also teach you the different ways to apply strobe light. First, I'll take a photo using only the light in the room. There's a window far back on the right, so there's some natural light coming in. It feels quite muddy. Next, let's attach a round softbox Speedbox 70 to the Comet B360 and try hitting it directly on the subject from the right. The distance between the softbox and the subject is about 2 meters. Since the softbox is a little small and the distance between the softbox and the subject is far, the light is very hard. The shadows are very clear and it indeed looks like we are using a strobe, and it does not look natural. Next, let's bounce the strobe on the left wall. I use Godox 8200 as a strobe. Don't use a softbox. Hit it directly against the wall. The distance between the strobe and the wall is about 50 centimeters. The strobe is close to the wall, so the light is hard. The shadows of the subject is clearly visible on the wall, and just like before, it looks like I've hit it on purpose. This time, let's bounce the strobe on the high part of the back wall on the right. As before, the strobe is a Godox 8200. The light reflected from the back left corner of the wall spread full area, creating a soft light. The direct light from the strobe hit the dried flower, creating a nice atmosphere with the shadows of the dried flowers. The light is like sunlight filtering through the trees, light spring light. When taking portraits with a strobe, try to make the light as soft as possible. If the room has white walls, bouncing the light will create a beautiful soft light that will help you take beautiful photos. Please give it a try.